of our lesson on mixing the particle pala. Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. This is the continuation of our lesson on mixing the Tagalog enclitic particle pala with other particles like na, pa, lang, and naman. On its own, the enclitic particle pala translates as I didn't realize, I just recently learned, I just recently discovered, I didn't expect, apparently, after all, again, it turns out, or I remembered. Pala, like all Tagalog enclitic particles, is hard to translate directly into English and is highly dependent on context. The best that we can do is to approximate what it means. Our examples are by no means extensive as the usage can be varied, but they are enough to get you started in using the Tagalog enclitic particles to enrich your learning of Tagalog. Cool? Mixing the enclitic particle pala with other particles in the same phrase or sentence increases the texture and expands the meaning of that phrase or sentence. While their definitions are not exact, here are some general meanings of each combination. Na, pala, realizing something present or happening at the moment. Pa, pala, realizing something is still or also happening at the moment. Lang pala, realizing something or an action to be of limited in scope. Na lang pala, suggesting or realizing something or an action since there's no other choice. Naman pala, realizing something or an action contrary to expectation. Na naman pala, realizing the repeat of something or an action. Kaya pala, realizing the reason for an action or situation. Kaya naman pala, realizing the reason for an action or situation, but with a little more emphasis. Again, these definitions are not exact as translation may vary a bit depending on the context of a conversation. In this video, I will be discussing sample sentences using demonstrative pronouns. So, tara, simulan na natin. Let's begin. Let's begin with the combination of na and pala. Na, pala. Realizing something new now. Listen to these. Ito na pala. Is this already it? I didn't expect that. Ito na pala. So, this is already it, apparently. Iyan na pala. Is that already it? I didn't expect that. Iyan na pala. So that is already it, apparently. Iyon na pala. Is that already it over there? I didn't expect that. Iyon na pala. So that is it over there, apparently. Nandito na pala. Is it already here? I didn't expect that. Nandito na pala. It's already here, apparently. Nandyan na pala. Is it already there? I didn't expect that. Nandyan na pala. So it's already there, apparently. Nandoon na pala. Is it already over there? I didn't expect that. Nandoon na pala. So it's already over there, apparently. Ayos ba? It's not too hard, right? Now, let's move on to the next combination. Pa, pala. Realizing something is still present. Listen to this. Ito pa pala. Apparently, this one too. Ito pa pala. So this one too, apparently. Iyan pa pala. Apparently, that one too. Iyan pa pala. So that one too, apparently. Iyon pa pala. Apparently, that one over there too. Iyon pa pala. So that one over there too, apparently. Nandito pa pala. Apparently, it's still here. Nandito pa pala. So, it's still here apparently. Nandyan pa pala. Apparently, it's still there. Nandyan pa pala. So, it's still there apparently. Nandoon pa pala. Apparently, it's still over there. Nandoon pa pala. So, it's still over there apparently. Ayos ba? So far, so good? Now, our next sample sentences are with the combination of the particles lang and pala. Lang, pala. Realizing something to be of limited in scope. Here goes. Ito lang pala. Is it just this one? I didn't expect that. It also means this is all the fuss. Ito lang pala. So it's just this one after all. It also means, so this is what the fuss is all about. Iyan lang pala. Is it just that one? I didn't expect that. It also means that is all the fuss. Iyan lang pala. So it's just that one after all. It also means, so that is what the fuss is all about. Iyon lang pala. Is it just that one over there? I didn't expect that. But it also means that is all the fuss. But when you are referring to an object or an idea or concept that is far away from the speaker and the listener. Make sense? Iyon lang pala. So it's just that one over there after all. Nandito lang pala. Is it just here all along? Nandito lang pala. So it's just here all along. Nandyan lang pala. Is it just there all along? Nandyan lang pala. So it's just there all along. Nandoon lang pala. Is it just over there all along? Nandoon lang pala. So it's just over there all along. Ang galing, di ba? That was cool, right? Now, let's continue with the triple combination of the particles na, lang, pala. Na lang pala. Suggesting or realizing a limited action now because there is no other choice. Here goes. Ito na lang pala. Is this the only thing left? I didn't realize that. Ito na lang pala. This is the only thing left, apparently. Iyan na lang pala. Is that the only thing left? I didn't realize that. Iyan na lang pala. That is the only thing left, apparently. Iyon na lang pala. Is that over there the only thing left? I didn't expect that. Iyon na lang pala. That over there is the only thing left, apparently. Dito na lang pala. Just place it here for now. I just thought of that now. Diyan na lang pala. Just place it there for now. I just thought of that now. Doon na lang pala. Just place it over there for now. I just thought of that now. Ayos ba? I hope you're not getting confused. Moving on to our next combination. Naman pala. Realizing someone or something's turned now. Think of it as someone having a eureka moment. Here are our examples. Ito naman pala. So, this one this time. I just learned of that. Iyan naman pala. So, that one this time. I just learned of that. Iyon naman pala. So, that one over there this time. I just learned of that. Dito naman pala. So, it's really here apparently. Diyan naman pala. So, it's really there apparently. Doon naman pala. So it's really over there apparently. Ayos? If you're liking this video so far, please hit the like button because that will help in growing this channel. Moving on. Here's another triple combination na naman pala. Realizing it's someone's turn again now. Check this out. Ito na naman pala? Is this it again? I didn't expect that. Ito na naman pala. So this is it again, it turns out. Iyan na naman pala? Is that it again? I didn't expect that. Iyan na naman pala. So that is it again, it turns out. Iyon na naman pala? Is that it over there again? I didn't expect that. Iyon na naman pala. So that over there is again, it turns out. Nandito na naman pala? Is it in here again? I didn't expect that. Nandito na naman pala. So it's in here again apparently. Nandyan na naman pala? Is it in there again? I didn't expect that. Nandyan na naman pala. So, it's in there again apparently. Nandoon na naman pala? Is it in over there again? I didn't expect that. Nandoon na naman pala. So, it's in over there again apparently. Ayos ba? That's about it for now. I hope our examples gave you a flavor of how combining pala with other particles increases the texture and expands the meaning of a phrase or sentence. Before I end this video, let me give you some more random sample phrases. Here goes. Oo na pala. It's now a yes. I just decided. Hindi na pala. It's now a no. I changed my mind. Tama na pala. It's enough for now. I've had enough. Tapos na pala. It's now finished apparently. Kahit na pala. Yes, even though. I've decided to go ahead. Pwede na pala. It's now possible apparently. Sige na pala. It's now a go apparently. Ayos ba? There are more examples of how to use the combination of the enclitic particle pala with other particles. And I will cover those in the next video. In the next video, I will focus on sentences with verbs. So, be sure to catch that. I will see you again and maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.